Hi, it's me, Nikki. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that button down below on the right side. It really helps your girl out. Today I'm going to be doing a more toned down look, a kind of a go-to look, and it is with the Morphe 25A. I really like this. I like the colors on there. And I am priming my eye as usual with some Tarte concealer. And I'm gonna do all the lid and even the inner corner of my eye because it really helps the highlight pop there as well. And once that is done, I am not going to set it with any type of powder. I'm going straight in with the eyeshadows, and I'm going to start out with that one right there as the lightest color that I am going to do. And I'm going to dip my brush in there a few times to darken it up. As you can see, it's really like a nice warm color. So I dip it in there a few times, darken it up. I'm not going to take it all the way high, but as I'm blending, I'm doing a circular motion and I am going towards the top, just not touching the top. And I dipped it again to darken it up. It's a really pretty color. If you keep dipping it and dipping it, it's I don't know, I really love colors like this. Then I'm going to go in with this color. It's almost like that, but darker, and it is noticeable. And I just dip it in there a couple of times, blend it out. Then I'm gonna go in with that color, and that's like a more dark, I don't know, I'm getting fall vibes with this, like a nice at home fall vibe kind of makeup look. And I don't know, it's a really pretty brown. I love that brown. And I'm just gonna keep it on the crease line. I'm not gonna drag it up like I did the other ones, and I'm just gonna do that circular motion and make sure it's blending out nicely. The darkest color I'm going to use is that one right there, and I'm going to keep it kind of on my crease line but lower and towards the end, just to give it more definition, because I don't want to mess with the pretty colors that we created a while ago. But I take it side by side, kind of windshield wiper mode and in circular motion, but I'm keeping it more to the end. And of course my eyeliner. And I'm using these two colors for my lower lash line. The light one is going to be more of a smoky look, not too smoky but buffed out, and then the dark one is, you know, closer towards the corner of my eye. And then highlight, I used highlight from a different palette because this one didn't have a highlight on there, so just use whatever you have if you do create this look. And there's my eyebrow, and then of course I'm just doing a nude lip, and that completes the look. Hope you guys liked it. Simple, I think it's cute, and I'm still getting fall vibes with it. But if you like this, don't forget to smash that like button, you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Have a blessed one.